Welcome to Open House Tuesdays, where I feature a new property from the Miami and Miami Beach Brokers Open House list every week. Today, I will take you inside Aqua. This is a very exclusive private community in North Beach, right off of 63rd Street, a few blocks away from Condo. You'll see what the layout is. You will also see the private terrace, which is around 3,000 square feet, which brings up to the unit to combine almost 5,000 square feet for you to enjoy. So it is the perfect beach pad, located in a very private community with all the amenities, dogs, gym, pool, access to the beach. I mean, what is there not to like? So just take a look at the video, enjoy, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you have any property you would like to see, don't forget to just send me a message at Doris305. You can email me also at Doris@Doris305.com, and I'll take you right into the video. Enjoy, and don't forget to stick around to the end because I'll give you a little snapshot on the market for Aqua.